The applicant is charged with a capital offence, which would require, though not mandatory, but at least if there is any exceptional circumstance that is raised in his favor. Because we're looking at the fact that this is a case which we committed, which is committed meaning witnesses are exposed in the summary of the case. And since we expose our witnesses, we are bound to protect them. So it will be in the interest of justice, in the interest of the applicant and our witnesses, maybe this matter be fixed for hearing, since we already committed, meaning the investigations are complete. We are looking at my Lord, considering the gravity of the offense and the nature of the offense, this is the offense which involved but this is just described with many counts and all involve violence. And when you look at guideline 13, among the things to consider while handling the application is whether the offense which the applicant is charged involves violence. And in this case, we are saying almost all the accounts involve violence. So it's our submission that we find the surety is not substantial in this case and find that actually the application itself was incompetent to be before court, which should be struck out. So I pray.
Letting a brief rejoinder. My land friend has raised the issue of lack of attachments referred to in the affidavit in support of the application. My lady, I pray that you consider that as an oversight by the applicant's lawyers. I pray that you consider that as an oversight by the applicant's lawyers. The lack of attachments. And that should not be visited on the applicant, my lady. And besides, my lady, we have pledged that we shall supply those documents before the ruling. Further, my lady, I also invite you to invoke provisions of Article 126(2)(e) of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, which provides to the effect that justice shall be administered without undue regard to technicalities. And indeed, the issues of incompetence of the application will not arise once we invoke the constitutional commandment cited. My lady, my land friend has well criticized our sureties for not having letters from their constituencies. My lady, my land friend is manipulating the knowledge which has come to him that the sureties have many homes, which is not a problem, my lady. And my lady, this court has unlimited jurisdiction. Unlimited jurisdiction. My lady, over all areas, including their several residences, my lady. My lady, consider that as mere arguments.
Did you understand his submission?
Yes, my lady.
That's for purposes of clarity. I thought you would submit specificity to that. He's alluding to the fact that already we have a gap. That the applicant's place of abode, you're following what is in the documentation. It alludes to now what day. The sureties, much as they are substantial, yeah? Members of society, credible members of society, including MPs. They represent constituencies like Surety number 1, Kalungu. You could imagine in his submission that they are bringing details of his constituency, because that's why the submission, and you are insisting on the fact that he's a member of parliament. So the question is where? So his details should be the area in which, so submit in that regard. As much as said, Honorable Sewung is a member of parliament for Kalungu, this and this and that. But you're just being general. For me, that's how I understood his submission.
Yes. And
I don't know how you also close the gap of us not knowing where the applicant stays. Who would imagine, I would, as court, imagine that what is in the document here, at least one of the sureties is from the same entity.
my lady,
Just a matter of time.
my lady,
Can you conclude on this submission?
much obliged.
As this guiding, because we have so many other applicants, maybe you can follow suit.
My lady, like the prosecution has no doubts as to whether the sureties are members of parliament,
Yes.
whether they are credible people. Indeed, they are substantial sureties. Kindly, my lady, I pray that you allow the applicant to ride on that credibility. Indeed, he can associate with such credible people.
Because we know they are places in the world,
Yes.
we know their constituencies, but you're just going around.
Much obliged, my lady.
Next. I think we are done with Eddy, right? We are we are giving the same date or the same.
My lady, he has as well alluded to the fact that the applicant is charged with capital offense. My lady, allow me to handle that together with violence, alleged violence.
I like the way you're calling me, my lady.
That does not take away presumption of innocence. But my lady, and the same attainted with mere speculation.
That you have already submitted.
I'll finally adopt the citation by my land friend Moise. Yes, in the case of Kanyamu. Yes, my lord. It is a citation from Panjuru versus the Republic March of Lands. My lady, it is my humble prayer that you invoke your discretionary powers and grant bail to the applicant. I so pray.
My lord, in one statement, just one. That gap, just one statement.
Council, the record I have for purposes of time, I have Councillor Kola, I have Katoka
Tumsime, your worship. My lord.
Can we have those? Give your colleagues a chance to shine. Maybe this is something that...
Yes, my lord. Yes. To sum it up, Kato Tumsime.
Yes, please.
And I will address the issue of sureties.
Katoka Tusime.
Tumusime. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
First, your worship, my lord.
Are you reiterating
Yeah.
what you said? Can you add on what you said without repeating what you said?
I'm not going to repeat, my lord. In determining the suitability of sureties, the presses of upward are important, but the purpose
Determining the...
suitability of the sureties, my lord. The fixed presses of upward are important,
Yeah.
but the purpose, my lord, is to determine their traceability.
Yes?
The law doesn't require that they must provide letters of introduction from the areas where they were born from. It's not mandatory, in short. But my lord, the fact that they are members of parliament and they have provided national identity
I don't
cards.
remember hearing that they wanted to have letters
Yes,
of
my lord.
introduction from where they are born.
Where they represent. The whole assumption is that. Okay, much obliged, my lord. But the fact that they have presented national IDs, which are national documents, they prove that they are residents of Uganda,
Yes.
and this court has jurisdiction all over this Uganda, and that should be put into consideration. Their age as sureties, and they have a comparability.
No one talked about their age.
I am bringing it, my lord, in my rejoinder, and I'm saying that
Rejoinder would be in front and respond to us.
much obliged, my lord.
We
But
don't
the
have
whole
to
issue is
waste so
about
much time just because
comparability.
someone needs to submit.
Yes, my lord.
Just emphasize issues
My
that
lord.
you need to bring out for the purpose of this application.
Much obliged, my lord. I take your guidance. But lastly, on the issue of the fixed price of the applicant, my lord, we consider the details as produced in the charge sheet.
Let's be serious.
Yes, my
Your
lord.
submissions.
Yes, my lord.
When you allude to a place of abode, we need an attachment.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
But we associate ourselves with the details included in the charge sheet, which is a document of the state. Which provides that he is a resident of Nanwad zone in Wakiso
Do you know
district.
how they get that detail?
Yes, my lord, I know, and there is a
How?
confirmation.
Is it when they're recording the statement that they have an LC letter of introduction?
My lord, they don't have an LC letter of introduction.
I thought it's
But the-
information from the accused person on where they stay. And by bringing this evidence of the introduction from the area, is further proof.
Yes,
That
my
is mere
lord.
mention at the time of taking the statement.
It's mere mention, my lord, but which is
And
later
there's no
confirmed.
evidence to that.
Which is later confirmed.
With, but you have not confirmed.
Yes, my lord, we shall have the document produced to confirm this.
Ruling in this application shall be on the same day, 22nd of
Much obliged.
Wakabi Press versus Uganda. Wakabi Press.
Be alone. Just be alone.
May it please you, my lord, I'm Council Shamin Malende, together with Council Esazeewo Majeran in this matter. Your worship, as my lord, as earlier intimated to you, we just received instructions to represent the accused person, the applicant in this matter. However, due to your guidance, yes, my lord. Due to your guidance, okay.
The same, right?
My lord, due to your guidance, we are not going to seek for standover.
You just got instructions together with
Council Esazeewo.
You also just received instructions.
No, he's on this matter, my lord. I'm proceeding with him on this
What
matter.
I'm saying, Council Esazeewo has been in this matter way before you.
No, it's
What I'm saying that apart from you wanting to stand up, Esazeewo should be able to stand up. The fact that you have just got instructions.
my lord, I am the one with all the documents, my lord.
Please.
So don't take the notice today, because then you're ready.
My lord, I collected them this morning because I
What
came here
I'm
very
saying,
early.
because Esazeewo has been ready since March, other than you insisting on what you today, it's not necessary because Esazeewo is in court.
My lord, in that case, then I'll leave him to present this and then I'll come in.
But don't talk about the instructions today that I'll make mistakes because I
No,
can
I'll
have
not
it.
make mistakes, my lord. It's not about the mistakes, my
Because
lord.
there are people here who have been in this matter well longer than you.
My lord, it's not a mistakes, my lord. I didn't allude to that, my
So
lord.
I'm not writing that you just got instructions.
It's okay, my lord. My lord, with leave of this court, I ask this honorable court to proceed and present the sureties first, and then submissions shall come later, my lord.
Cut across like we've been doing for A2 and what was submitted by Council Muizi. Council Muizi, can you adopt what you did like Nankola has done?
Then it,
My lord, we are in agreement, actually. Let's confirm that on record. Our approach was to make the principles then we just present.
So yes, we just go to their details and everything.
Yes.
So can I record like I did for Eddy that
Yes.
we are adopting what
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. No objection to that, my lord.
I'm saying they adopted.
Yeah, the submission.